Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to recover deleted chats on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to recover deleted chats on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on your profile picture icon, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and we'll be required to go to the your activity section of our account, which is the third one. Tap on your activity, and over here scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the download your information option available for us. Tap on download your information, and again you can see the download or transfer information option available for us. Tap on the download or transfer information, and over here we'll be just choosing the Instagram account, so unselect all except the Instagram. And after that guys, tap on the next at the bottom of the screen, and over here you can see you'll be able to choose either some of your information or all of your information. In order to recover the deleted chats on Instagram, we'll be tapping on the sum of your informations only. And before we proceed guys, do make sure to like and subscribe because it gives me a lot of support to the channel on YouTube as well, and it makes my channel grow. Please do that. Please like and subscribe to me. And with that being said guys, let's scroll down until you can find the messages under the category of content. Tap on messages, tap on next, and over here either you can choose to download to your device or transfer to the destination. If you want to transfer the chats to your Google Drive or Dropbox, you can, but we'll be just downloading it to the device, so we'll be tapping on download to device and tap on next. And over here you can see you will be able to choose your date range from when to when you will be able to download your messages or recover your Instagram messages. And let's go back. You can also custom-edit it from your custom date. And let's go back. And with that being said guys, after doing all of these, tap on the create files, and your recovery file of your Instagram deleted chats will be available over here. And after the file is ready for download, Instagram will notify you. After you have downloaded the specific information file, you will be able to view all of your deleted chats. And guys, this is how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.